When it comes to building with precision and passion, the right tools make all the difference. Welcome to the world of woodworking hand tools, your essential companions for every project. From measuring and marking to cutting, shaping, and smoothing, these tools give you control, craftsmanship, and confidence. Whether you're trimming a tenon with a chisel or flattening a board with a plane, having the right woodworking hand tools turns good work into great work. Start with the basics. Master your woodworking hand tools, and build the kind of work you're proud to show off. To learn more, click the link below.